Building insulation is any object in a building used as insulation for any purpose. While the majority of insulation in buildings is for thermal purposes, the term also applies to acoustic insulation, fire insulation, and impact insulation. Often an insulation material will be chosen for its ability to perform several of these functions at once. Insulation is an important economic and environmental investment for buildings. By installing insulation, buildings use less energy for heating and cooling and occupants experience less thermal variability. Retrofitting buildings with further insulation is an important climate change mitigation tactic, especially in geographies where energy production is carbon intensive. Local and national governments and utilities often have a mix of incentives and regulations to encourage insulation efforts on new and renovated buildings as part of efficiency programs in order to reduce grid energy use and its related environmental impacts and infrastructure costs. Thermal insulation usually refers to the use of appropriate insulation materials and design adaptations for buildings to slow the transfer of heat through the enclosure to reduce heat loss and gain. The transfer of heat is caused by the temperature difference between indoors and outdoors. Heat may be transferred either by conduction, convection, or radiation. The rate of transmission is closely related to the propagating medium. Heat is lost or gained by transmission through the ceilings, walls, floors, windows, and doors. This heat reduction and acquisition are usually unwelcome. It not only increases the load on the HVAC system, resulting in more energy wastes, but also reduces the thermal comfort of people in the building. Thermal insulation in buildings is an important factor in achieving thermal comfort for its occupants. Insulation reduces unwanted heat loss or gain and can decrease the energy demands of heating and cooling systems. It does not necessarily deal with issues of adequate ventilation and may or may not affect the level of sound insulation. In a narrow sense, insulation can just refer to the insulation materials employed to slow heat loss, such as cellulose, glass wool, rock wool, polystyrene, urethane foam, vermiculite, perlite, wood fiber, plant fiber, but it can also involve a range of designs and techniques to address the main modes of heat transfer: conduction, radiation, and convection materials. Most of the materials in the above list only retain a large amount of air or other gases between the molecules of the material. The gas conducts heat much less than the solids. These materials can form gas cavities, which can be used to insulate heat with low heat transfer efficiency. This situation also occurs in the fur of animals and birds' feathers. Animal hair can employ the low thermal conductivity of small pockets of gas, so as to achieve the purpose of reducing heat loss. The effectiveness of reflective insulation is commonly evaluated by the reflectivity of the surface, with airspace facing to the heat source. The effectiveness of bulk insulation is commonly evaluated by its R value, of which there are two metric, the former being 0.176 times the latter, or the reciprocal quantity, the thermal conductivity, or U value Wk-1m-2. For example, in the US the insulation standard for ATEX is recommended to be at least R38 US units. The equivalent standard in the UK are technically comparable. The approved document L would normally require an average U value over the roof area of 0.11 to 0.18 depending on the age of the property and the type of roof construction. Newer buildings have to meet a higher standard than those built under previous versions of the regulations. It is important to realize a single R value or U value does not take into account the quality of construction or local environmental factors for each building. Construction quality issues can include inadequate vapor barriers and problems with draft proofing. In addition, the properties and density of the insulation material itself are critical. Most countries have some regime of either inspections or certification of approved installers to make sure that good standards are maintained. The history of thermal insulation is not so long compared with other materials, but human beings have been aware of the importance of insulation for a long time. In the prehistoric time, human beings began their activity of making shelters against wild animals and heavy weather. Human beings started their exploration of thermal insulation. Prehistoric peoples built their dwellings by using the materials of animal skins, fur, and plant materials like reed, flax, and straw. These materials were first used as clothing materials. Because their dwellings were temporary, they were more likely to use the materials they used in clothing, which were easy to obtain and process. The materials of animal furs and plant products can hold a large amount of airbed.